Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to subtitle videos. First thing you'll do is paste the URL that you want to subtitle, or not. If not, go to YouTube and find the video that you want to subtitle. The video must be located within YouTube before you begin this process. Once you have the video selected, what you do is you go to the website called keepvid.com. You paste the YouTube URL, you copy it, you paste the YouTube URL, you hit the download button, then you go ahead and you do two things. The first thing you do is you download the video that you want to download. Typically it is always recommended to do the highest resolution. So the higher the number, 360, 144, 480, and 720 would be the highest resolution for this video. So you always want to make sure to download this video in the highest resolution. I've already downloaded this video previously, so I won't re-download it. Once your download is started for your video, the second thing that you'll do is you'll go down here to where it says subtitle. You'll click here where it says SRT subtitles, and in this screen that loads up, what you will do is you will find the video language that you want to subtitle for. So we'll wait here for a second while this website loads. Let's see. There we go. So you scroll down to the language that you want to subtitle. In my case, we're going to go ahead and do this demo with Romanian subtitles. So I'll scroll down to the R. Here we go. You'll click download SRT. And it'll take a few seconds for the download to begin. While that's processing, another thing that you'll need to do for this tutorial is you'll need to go to the website called Handbrake. Do a Google search for Handbrake, and the first option that you'll receive is Handbrake Open Source Video Transcoder. What you can do is you can go to the website and you'll see the image of the application. Then what you'll proceed to do is to download the application for your operating system that you have right over here. In my case, I've already downloaded this application and I won't need to re-download it again. So we'll go back to our download that has stalled. We'll go back to downloading the SRT for the Romanian subtitles again. For some reason it didn't download. Okay, there we go. Now this time it downloaded. You can see down here in the lower right hand corner of my screen that the download is finished. And what we'll do now is the following thing. The next step that you do, once you have downloaded your Handbrake application, you would go ahead and click in your downloads folder. You would install this Handbrake application, and once you have it installed, you would then proceed to this next step. Here I have the Handbrake application already installed, so I'll proceed to the next step, which is to go to the website called amara.org. You'll proceed to create an account here. Once you have an account, you'll click the subtitle video menu here, and then you'll go ahead and paste the URLs for the YouTube video you want to subtitle. You'll hit begin. Okay, it'll load your video here, as you can see. In the lower left hand corner, you'll see how it says contribute. Here's where you contribute different subtitles. What you'll do is, if you don't see your language for your video already populated, then you'll go ahead and click add new language. When this little window pops up, you will proceed and select what language the video is currently in with the audio. So in this case, this video is in English audio. So I'll select English, and I want to subtitle this video in Romanian, so I'll scroll down to Romanian down here. Once you have your selections made, you'll proceed and click continue. At that point, it'll take you to the actual editor for Amara. In this video, or in this section or video, we won't be covering in detail how to subtitle. There are plenty of videos on how to use Amara, but I'll just do a brief overview on how this works. As soon as you reach the Amara screen for editing subtitles, the first thing you'll do is you'll hit the little gear icon, then you'll select where it says Upload Subtitles. You'll get a window, and you'll hit the Choose File button. Then what you'll do is you'll proceed to download, or to select the download file that you had from the KeepVid website. It will have an extension, or the last 3 letters on the file will be SRT. You'll select that one, you'll hit open, and you'll see the name of the file populated there. Afterwards, you'll go ahead and hit the upload button. After a few seconds, the subtitle editor will load again. Now, once you see everything loaded, you can see in the lower portion of the screen that all the subtitles have been pre-populated. You can see that this hour and 17-minute video has every spoken word subtitled in Romanian. Now, this is an auto-generated subtitling system that YouTube uses. So what we always recommend is that you go ahead and you verify these subtitles for accuracy, for corrections needed, and so forth. Later on, you'll see that once you finish the subtitling in this section, you can always edit, move the subtitling a little bit further down the line, move it further, change the names if you want to make some edits. You can do that, but we won't cover that in this video. Once you've made all your corrections and everything's done there, either yourself or another volunteer who's assisting you in working or verifying these subtitles, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and save draft, and then you'll hit the exit button. Once you have exited the subtitle editor, what you will do is you will, in the video window within Amara, you'll see in the lower left-hand corner that it has the language that you're working with. Now, if other volunteers on the internet have submitted other languages, you might see other languages listed here. But for now, on this video, we only have one. So I'll hit the arrow for Romanian here, and you can see where it says Download Subtitles, the option. You'll click that. Now here you will see all the subtitles that were being edited in the subtitle editor. But at this point, what you'll do is you'll hit this menu where it says Download, and you'll select the SRT option. Once you do that, it'll download a file to your computer. At that point, you're done with the Amara process. The next thing that you'll do is you'll move to the Handbrake application. Once you have the Handbrake application open, first thing you need to do is you need to select your source. Hit the source button, and you will locate the video file that you downloaded from KeepVid. If you remember, you downloaded the file previously. It would be in your downloads folder or wherever. Here I've already downloaded it, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and select it. Let's see where it's at. Let's see if I can find it here. And Okay, let's see. Here we go. So I'll go ahead and select my file, which is in my downloads folder. And there's the video. I'll go ahead and click the open button. There it will, you'll see the name or the title for your video that you want to add the subtitles to listed here in the source. The next thing that you'll do is you'll hit the browse button to go ahead and select where you want to save the file to. If you want to save it to the same folder as your desktop or wherever you want to save it. Here I already have it pre-selected. And the next thing that you'll do is typically this application will default to the video tab the way you see it currently. What you have to do is you have to click on the subtitles icon here, and it'll take you to this following screen. Once you're in the subtitles section, you'll hit the track button. On Mac or on Windows, you'll have a button over here that says add external SRT, I believe, in this area. On the Macintosh computers, you'll hit add external SRT. Then what you'll do is you'll select the file that you downloaded, not the initial one from KeepVid, but the second one from Amara. You'll select that one, you'll hit open. Then you will hit the burn-in check box that you see there. And it's very important because if you do not hit the burn-in checkbox, the subtitles will not be viewable. Once you have checked that box, the only thing you need to do is just hit the start button and the process will begin. Depending on the length of your video, the process will take longer, or the quality of your video. So typically it'll take about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Here I downloaded this video for demo purposes in a very low quality, and that's why it is processing fairly quickly. So that basically finishes the process of subtitling. Once this video is finished, you would see that the subtitles are burnt in. What I'll do right now is I'll see if I can take a look at the video that I just did here. Here we go. So if I hit preview, you can see some of the type titles are already there.
Almost a year working at one of your same way as you, but it's Gaia Aramaran. That's how I started.
There we go. That's not the entire video because I canceled the process, but it did a few minutes of the video with subtitles. So that concludes this demo. Please look below in the comments for the website addresses, the links where to download all the information or the applications, and for the Amara subtitle website. So thank you for watching this video and have a blessed day.